progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan is expected to issue a notification for the appointment of a new Director General of the Inter-Services Intelligence within 2 days, local media reported on Friday. Dawn newspaper said that the sources close to the Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan said most probably the notification would be issued today. Pakistan is witnessing uncertainty and confusion the past few days regarding the appointment of the new ISI chief in the country. This came after the Pakistan military's media wing, the Inter-Services Public Relations, issued a notification regarding the appointment of Lieutenant General Nadeem Ahmed Anjum as DG ISI, despite the fact that his appointment was not issued by PM Khan's office. Earlier this week, Pakistan Prime Minister had described the differences between the political and military leadership regarding the appointment of the Director General of the ISI as technical issues. Khan, during a meeting of the PTI Parliamentary Committee, said that the issues would soon be resolved. Geo News reported, citing sources. During the meeting, the Pakistan Prime Minister took the participants into confidence over the prevailing political situation in the country.